We're celebrating some of our favorite international chicken recipes with chicken yakitori using Sanderson Farms boneless, skinless chicken breast.
All right, let's go ahead and chunk up our chicken for our skewers. We're gonna use 2 beautiful Sanderson Farms chicken breasts. We're gonna do about 1-inch chunks is what we're looking for. Cut up our scallions into 1-inch pieces. All right, let's go ahead and skewer up a few pieces of our chicken. We like to use metal skewers because you know why? You don't have to soak them. But if you use bamboo skewers, soak them first before you put them on a grill, because if you don't, they'll burn. All right, we're doing 6 pieces of scallion, 5 pieces of chicken. That's all it takes. There you go, Mark. Coming over.
Throw it on the grill.
All right, let's make the sauce for our yakitori chicken. Soy sauce. Some mirin, rice wine. Japanese sake. Some brown sugar. Now you're just gonna let this mix around, and you're gonna simmer this and reduce it until it gets a little bit thick. That's what we're gonna use to brush on our yakitori chicken skewers.
You're gonna cook the chicken 2 to 3 minutes per side before you put the sauce on.
All right, looks good. And this is the sauce we're gonna use to brush on our skewers.
There's a lot of sugar in that sauce, so you wanna make sure you don't burn it before the chicken is cooked all the way through. Now we're gonna brush it and make sure to keep rotating it so that you don't burn the bottoms. Crispy and crunchy, good. Charred and burnt, bad. We brush it with a little bit of the sauce at the end, give it a little drizzle of sesame oil, and you're ready to go.